In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Temu discount promo codes. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and right here you'll have to search for Temu discount promo code. Right here, go to this website which is called couponsfollow.com and open it. As you can see right here, we have a list with some promo codes that you can use in order to get some discounts. So for example, right here, if you want to get this one with 30% discount of your order, all you need to do is tap right here where it says your coupon code. And this is the promo code right here. You can simply copy this one and you can use it in order to get a 30% discount of your order. Also, going back to the main search right here, we have this website as well, which is called simplycodes.com. And right here on this website, you also have some promo codes, as you can see, that you can use for some discount. So for example, right here, if you want to get this one with 40% discount of your next purchase, all you need to do is just tap right here on this button where it says copy code. And this is the promo code right here. You can simply copy the promo code from this button and you can use this one on your next purchase in order to get a 40% discount. So this is pretty much it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.